हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबिन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about the function of commercial bank. A commercial bank is a kind of financial institutions which carries all the operations related to deposit and withdraw of money for the general publics, providing loans for investments, etc. These banks are profit-making institutions and do business only to make a profit. Types of commercial bank: private bank, public bank, and foreign banks. Private bank, it is that type of commercial bank where private individuals and businesses own a majority of the share of capitals. All private banks are recorded as companies with limited liabilities. Public bank, those types of bank that is nationalized and the government hold a significant stake. And third types of banks, foreign bank, these banks are established in foreign country and has branches in other countries. Function of commercial bank. The function of commercial bank classified in two parts: primary function and secondary function. Primary functions. First primary function of commercial bank is accept deposit. The bank takes deposit in the form of saving, current and fixed deposit. That is the time deposit. The surplus balances collected from the firms and individual are lent to the temporary required commercial transactions. Second primary function is provide loan and advances. Another critical functions of this bank is to offer loan and advances to the entrepreneurs and business people and collect interest. For every bank, it is the primary source of making profit. In this process, a bank retains a small number of deposits as a reserves and offers the remaining amount to borrowers in demands of loan, overdraft, cash deposit, and short-run loan etc. Whenever a customer is provided with credit or loan, they are provided with liquid cash. First, a bank account is opened for a customer when their money is transferred to the accounts. The process allows a bank to create money. Secondary functions, discounting bill of exchange. It is written agreement acknowledged to the amount of money to paid against the good purchase at the given point of time in the future. And secondary function is overdraft facility. It is advance given to the customer by keeping the current accounts to overdraw up to given limits. And next, purchasing and selling of the securities. The bank offer you and to the people with the facilities the selling and buying the securities. Locker facilities. The banker provide locker facilities to the customers and keep their values and belonging to document safety. Bank charges minimum of annual fee for these services. Next function is paying and gather the credits. It uses the different instruments like promissory notes and check and bill of exchange, etc. Thank you.